Hello, Paul Hamilton here for iPad Monthly. One of the things that had just come out with iOS 12 that's a really great tool for parents, but also teachers as well, is in the screen time section. And you can see here, I've just tapped on it really quickly, and you can see some of the things and the areas that I've been actually kind of working in lately. And you can see my productivity apps that I use is up there. Creativity and the education and that sort of thing. So a little bit less on the social media and that sort of things. But, there's so many things we can do. We can kind of allocate some downtime. We can kind of have a look at app limits and look at what our kids are using. We can look at content and restrictions. We can be a little bit more specific in regard to what we can actually do there. So this is just a great way of actually now looking at some different things. We can also do some sharing across devices. We can set up time for family and screen time for family by looking at different aspects there. And you can see here you can add a child and actually add their Apple ID and actually set up some restrictions and some different time allocations. But for me, just being able to look at what I'm actually using and be reflective on that, and the kids can start to look at that. It's just a great new tool that you need to explore, I guess, with both your kids at home, but also your students. Start to have a look at what we're actually using in regard to screen time with students. Paul Hamilton here for iPad Monthly, signing off.